We can play na.
Game ended. So that's here. So that's guys.
It's a girl, bro.
Yeah, that's it. I can hear. Please, different. Yes. The word shop. Not me, not me, not me.
Me.
No, not me, not me, not me, not me, not me. Yes.
No.
Yes, finally it's not me.
Why?
Because I don't want to be done because I cannot dance so. Come on there, I'm gonna follow you. Follow me, pala. Follow me. Bye. Follow me. Here. There.
But you go there, I go here.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the goddess place and then we're gonna... Bye. Bye.
I'm going up kasi.
Me too. Bye. Go here. I'm gonna go here.
Bruh. Wait, I can do that. I know where to hide na.
Where?
No, oh my god. I need to get super up.
There, I'm here. I got the goddess place now.
Where?
It's in the box.
Oh my god, B! Almost na.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Bro, I see you.
Where?
But I'm going there too. But here. Okay.
I found it. Lucky those they found me.
But did you leave?
No, I'm hiding. Because I found the tower.
Me too, I see it. Wait, napupunta siya here?
Yeah, I saw it. I don't know if it's going up.
Be, wag ka gagalaw, maririnig niya yung ano.
He found me.
She also found me, Be.
He killed you?
No.
No! He killed me now.
Watch me.
Okay, I'm gonna find you. Yeah, I found you. Where you posted? Where are you?
I ran here, oh.
I died!
Bro.
You didn't hear my no? I said I died. You didn't hear me?
Ayun siya, Be, oh.
No means I died. They're watching me.
I know. Because I told you to.
Oh my god, just 2 seconds. Yes. Good.
Be, watch mo yung eat. Yung ano, yung tagger. Watch mo.
There, see the box. It's going to the box.
Alin, yung kung saan ako?
Yeah, it's going to the box. Hi. Where did it find you?
That was close.
Oh, it's going away.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch the tiger.
Okay. Sabi mo sa akin, ha?
Okay, when I ask you in the box, it's going to your box, okay?
Okay.
Okay, going to the other second box. Not on you. When I said it's getting closer to you, okay? When I said it, it's go to the
Watch me, Be. Watch me.
then find it. Oh my god, bro, you found me.
You found me?
No, I found you.
Man.
Watch the sticker, what he's doing. Because later you're gonna be dead too when the sticker found you, you need something. I'm gonna watch the sticker.
Be, I wish hindi niya ako hanap.
Yeah, I'm watching him.
Nasaan na siya?
He's up. He's going up. There's a table.
Bro is going to find me.
There, with your tabi in the box.
Ah.
It's going somewhere.
Be, I see the tagger.
Yeah.
Pero naalis na siya.
37 foot. Babe, it's almost gonna be over now. Look. Try to find the clock.
Yeah, I know.
20, 19, 18,
Be, sana na-finish na. I want to win.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
10, 9. Oh my God, we're going to win!
7, 6,
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Be, I won!
Yeah. So this one found 4 players. Bruh, it's only 4 players we found. Maybe I'm the first company, I think. Because we found it. But not me. Not me. Agad sa kamay ka mo, higis mo. Agad sa kamay ka. Yes! You're so close! Wait, Ben, I think that was me. Because I can see my... But, Ben, come follow me.
Where are you? Wait. Stay there at the hut.
Bye!
But I can't go down. But I can't go down. But I can't hide na.
Bye!
But are you the one who did that?
No?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Can I use your bathroom?
Sure.
You can have the poop. Bye!
Really? No, don't poop, bro.
Where?
You poop at your house.
Where? Hindi pa ako na tayo pa?
You said patay ka na.
Yeah, here. Found it.
Okay. But don't really jump, ha? Bro, I told you not to really jump. She's going to find us. The one that is finding us is a girl, by the way. Bidyan ka lang. Stay ka lang. Oh my God.
I found it.
Me too. Be, at hijiri.
Share.
Wait.
Ben, let's go down.
Wait, I can't go down nga, diba? Only you.
Go to the purple square and you found something. Look, I need the up thing. Look up. Ben, look.
I can't see it. But I can't go down nga. Ayun, bro. I can't go
I'm gonna teach you how. I'm gonna see it.
Okay, sure. Wait.
Where? Oh, because I think you're glitching. Oh, I found it. I did it. Oh, here.
Oh. Okay.
Just go to the ladder.
Oh.
I can take care. I'm gonna poop.
Bro, don't poop. Oh, you're good. It's a little bit raining around there.
I need to do that.
No, I play yours eh.
So where I am?
You're in the kaliw na stove.
Okay.
Tapos ba nahulog ako?
And then he got you?
No.
Where?
Don't, taunt. Huwag ka mag-taunt. Dahil told you not to taunt.
It's not me there. That's the other place. That's gonna look sa grass or sa grave?
Huwag ka huhulog. Huwag ka huhulog. Stay ka lang dyan.
Oh.
I see the tiger. Malapit siya sa'yo. Oh, shit.
Then to the other one. Then I go to the other.
Be, malapit na siya sa'yo.
Be, I'm not in the other, like in the taas, yung dyan ako, in the tae. Hindi na ako, dyan. Dito na ako sa brown house. In the house.
Ito?
Yeah, I'm in the house.
No, you're respecting, be. Respecting the hider.
I'm in the house na, I'm in the house. So this is for the bird house. I'm in the bird's house. So but what's the tiger look like? Is a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
And what is costume? What is costume look like? A boy or a girl?
Yung parehas kanina.
This tiger is a girl.
Yeah.
And then this avatar look like a
But I can't talk right now. Nahahabol niya ako eh.
Okay. Tell me when you got caught up.
Be, ang dami namin dito.
Saan? Ano sa yan?
Oh shit.
Why?
Malapit na niya ako matatag.
Don't let the tiger touch you because the tigers are gonna be eaten na.
Oh no! No! Natag niya ako, be.
Oh no.
Natouch niya ako.
Be, I don't. Me not.
Be, natouch ka niya.
You didn't tell me.
Wey.
Found the tiger. I'm gonna go to the other house. He cannot find me. Yeah.
You know,
He cannot find me.
I found out the hard way the last time that I tried this.
Be, try to click
Any
me.
other sodas?
Be.
I am almost picked up. I almost win. First, keep going. Be, it's her again. I don't know what's his name. Be, look. Look, Be. It's her.
Oh no.
Now he wins. Now that guy wins.
Be, it's a girl.
The bold,
Huh? What thing?
it don't have hair. If I show you.
No, it's a bold. It has hair.
No, the one when I show you yung hindi pa niya natap. Bold. The not having is the bold. He wins. Ben, ready na. Oh yeah, it's ready. Not me.
Me. Be, kapag ikaw napipili, ako magpe-play, ha? No, siya na naman. Be, let's play a different game na lang. Because, they will keep tagging us. Be,
But lucky me, I'm gonna hide some gold. I'm gonna hide gold.
what do you want to play?
Wait, do you leave?
Yeah.
Okay, wait lang. Together. Wait lang, join me, okay?
Okay.
Wait lang, hintay mo lang. We're gonna leave together. Be, if I don't know how to join together, come on, okay? Be, I'm here na. Ready na.
I play this na.
I want to play it na eh. Hindi ako pa na-ending. Can you help me? Ben, can you help me something?
Wait. Pindot mo yung play.
Ha?
Pindot mo yung play.
Tapos,
Tas- I'm going to make a server.
and then you will fix it how to join together.
This is mine.
I'm tested. More fresh yan. I need drink.
No. I'm sick. I'm sick. I can't. Bro, I haven't drink anything. Bego. This is the ano ah. But look what charge ka na. Ay kung ano percent ka na.
Ate phone. Kaya ganyan na.
Wait.
There's someone join us. I want to let it.
Yes.
Don't let it join you. And then,
No, para madadami tayo.
when I take the other player, the other place to play. Then die.
Bro, I'm going to kick her ah. No, she leave na. I'm going to start it na.
Start. Beep. Because I hate the other kids because they're not playing that eh. They die. Halika na. I hate the blue. Really, I want to be, I like blue.
Be!
Yeah, I know.
Be, ano, wait. Stay here muna.
Go. Lapit ka. Good.
Jump. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Whip! Bruh! What happened to you? Bruh, it's lagging. It's lagging. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, wait. But when I die, you die. Okay. It's okay when you die. I didn't push you. You push us. You first you wait muna me. Bro, it's so pindot kasi, be. Be, carry me na lang. I know what to do. Wait. Okay, go. Okay, go. Oh no! Kasi when you jump, it's ano. Wait. Don't jump muna! No! Wait. Ganyan nga muna. Stay lang. Ayos mo. Hello! You look like you're flying. Sabi mo sa akin kapag jump pa ka ba? Wait, yun na lang. You. Oh! We fly. Best stay. I'm going to ano. Go. 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 Okay.
Okay, come on, gimme.
My phone is good.
Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it.
When you die, I die.
But I died. I killed you, and then I'm still here. Oh, Be! Ah! Ako next! Ako next! Oh, Be! Hey! I want to try one. Ready?
Bruh.
Okay, we win. We win. I am 6 and you're 7.
Yeah, I die a lot of times. I'm trying. I'm going to fall na. We're flying. No. Go. I'm going here muna. Oh no. That didn't touch me, but we die.
You died.
Go na. No! Bro, what happened to you? Below ko, I'm going to walk lang. You can walk lang, oh.
We both died.
Be, walk lang, oh.
Okay, stay still, stay still. Ayun na. Stay there,
It's okay. Are you watching me? Close na. Lalapit na.
I got 5 and you're 3.
Yeah, because you died 3 times. But don't push me. But wait lang ah. Kakatil lang ako. But so far, you first. Are you watching me?
Yeah.
Oh, limole.
Be careful. Circle. That's not hard. That's not hard. Easy, that's easy.
We're in a house. Oh, we're going home. Let's go there then. Bro! You can go na. Be. You can see me struggling. Be, go to the door! Be! Be, go to the door later, ah. Dito, later, ha? Go muna. Oh! Be, get out muna. Be, get out! Be, get out! Be, get out! Paano ako lalabas? I know. I have to alabas muna. Alis ka muna, be. I have to go to the door pa. Okay. Go. I'm going to go here lang, ah. Go! You go first. Kapag nadaday ka naman. Yeah, you die a lot of times, babe.
How many?
I don't know.
No, I'm afraid.
Bemi muna.
Okay.
Watch and learn, not watch only. Be, you're not listening.
I'm gonna go to the door.
Be, can you baba here muna? Okay, go baba.
Babe, you're hitting the wall.
I know, I'm so tall kasi.
Get to the door.
Bro, what happening?
Need help?
No, it's okay. Be, look at